Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Mississippi Girl Life. I am Tamika, just a country Mississippi girl living in North Carolina. I am 34 years old and I am the wife to a Marine Corps veteran. I am the mother to 3 wonderful children, ages 15, 12, and 11. And we have a fur baby, which is Summer, a Beagle and Pit Bull mix. My channel is a variety channel aimed to inspire and motivate you to be better prepared. We do gardening, prepping, teach you how to save money, and all of that. So if you enjoy the content, go ahead and give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to look in the description box because there's different links that you may be interested in. So I will see y'all in the video if it's Jehovah's will. Hey y'all, so this video gonna be what's been going on, and also a transplant video updating y'all on the outside garden much as I can because it's cold outside. So I haven't been putting up much content, and main reason is I've been trying to get stuff in order. Okay, I've been trying to get things mentally done and physically done. One of the main reasons is, though, I've been trying to get ready for these baby chicks to come. Y'all, they not here. They hatched on Wednesday, January 5th. They were supposed to be here yesterday, which was January 7th. I contacted my post office here, and they said I needed to get a tracking number, which Ideal Portrait hadn't gave me a tracking number. And so I had to call them. I got a tracking number. And the lady was like, at the post office, was like, she could see more than I could see. And she was like, oh, she said something about, seemed like it would have been in Georgia yesterday. And that they should have been here today. Well, today is here. The chicks is not here. So, after having to go to the post office because their phones was switched off there, kept saying it was closed when it was open, so I had to go to the post office to see if the chicks was there. The chicks is not there. When he looked in his system, they are still in Texas with a arrival date of Monday, January 10th. They are baby chicks and it is cold, so I don't know. They're gonna have to give me a refund and send me another order or something, because if I get them and they sick or they not alive, then they literally supposed to be to you in 2 or 3 days. It will be 5 days. They get here on Monday, and like I say, they hatched on the 5th and they shipped on the 5th, and it's just like, wow. So I really been mentally, like, because I really wanted them to get here, because this is how I was going to start off the channel. So I said, you know what, let me just take time to get everything else in place, because I want to just start popping out content. And I had everything set up. That's why I say, y'all, I don't always try to plan things. Well, I don't plan things. I always say if it's Jehovah's will, because you just never know what happens. And it seems like every time you plan things and you think it's going to it's something, there's always obstacles. So yeah, I don't have the 11 chicks yet. I still have the 4. They are doing good. I have been, yeah, so I need to get some transplant done. I need to give y'all an update what's going on the outside garden. Yeah, and I cannot continue to wait and not be putting out content and stuff like that. I've really been trying to write out what I'm going to do, how I'm going to do things, just get in order, you know, just get in order. So with that being said, let's go ahead and go outside. I'm going to show y'all what's going on out there. Like I said, it's going to be very briefly because it's not even 50 degrees here. It is cold. The weather is just so backwards. Right now, I'm sitting in the grow tent. I haven't even been able to come in here and do what I need to do. And I see some things that got to be transplanted. I'm just going to transplant it and continue to grow it in the grow tent. Yeah. So, let's go ahead and go out there. Okay, y'all, so out here, so right here I had transplanted my turnip greens, my collard greens, and my red mustard greens, and they are doing good. I do have to water everything. This is where my carrots was in, and these are some Brussels sprouts, and this is just down on the lower part of the deck. So I am about to take y'all up to the top so you can see what's going on up there. Okay, y'all, so up here we at the top. I do need the water. I'm gonna water. The weather's so crazy because Swiss chards are warm, are cool. They do good in warm weather and cool weather, and they are laying over, so I am gonna water them to see if that's what it is. But the weather's been really crazy, so everything is mainly looking good out here, the greens and stuff. I am going to give everybody some water, and see, you know, how everything reacts or whatever. But yeah, so I had to bring some of my things out here when I changed everything over, to have the chicks in the inside. So yeah, that's why y'all see these empty plant saucers and stuff like that. But yeah, it's been too cold to even get out here, you know. So that's what's going on out here. Everything's still looking good. The cabbages, the broccoli and stuff is continuing to grow. Okay, y'all, so we back inside to the grow tent. Oh, it is so cold out there, y'all. It is so cold. So I'm in the grow tent because I have a couple, and I know probably because I haven't came inside the grow tent. I think some of my anxiety has been bothering me too. My anxiety has been bothering me too. I'll say anxiety. So I got it under control. Yeah, got it under control. So with that, I haven't been coming in here that much, which I gotta learn to not do that. But these are the dwarf gray sugar snaps, and they need to go ahead and get transplanted. So I'm going to transplant them in here because I am going to trellis them up here. So this is what I'm about to go and do now, is transplant these babies in this soil. And like I say, these are the dwarf gray sugar snaps. And then let me just go ahead and say I am going to do in this other over here, I am going to be doing these because they look like they leaning over too. So they are. I need to go ahead and transplant them. Oh, my beans and everything. Oh my goodness. These are some pea sugar snaps. So I'm gonna go ahead and transplant these too. So that's what you're about to see me do right now.
You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. I'm hoping for some brighter days, 'cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting knee deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. November gets cold, December gets darker. Let me know when you're home, 'cause you're lighting a spark in me. Gets pretty lonely, I get so lonely. So stay by my side. Come close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. Close, side, wanna be by your side. my side.
Okay, y'all, so now I have a couple things that I need to transplant. I need to transplant them because they are not deep enough, okay? Before I transplant them into something else, like say for instance, this right here is not rooted enough. So I want to transplant them just to get them more established, and then before I take them like outside, I put them inside here or whatever the case may be. So that's what you're about to see me do. I'm about to take a lot of my things that I got and I'm gonna put them in here, and then I'm just gonna label everything and stuff like that. So I hope this is motivational for y'all to, you know, go and play in the garden and stuff like that, because y'all, spring will be here before you know it. And so a lot of this stuff can still be grown in spring. So yeah, so I'm about to work on my mustard greens and get them more established and better before they get transplanted out.
You're the only one I think about, yeah. You're the only one for me. The only one I care about, yeah. Yeah. Thinking about you day and night, yeah. You're the only one for me. I just wanna get it right, yeah. Ooh, yeah. You're the one I'm thinking of. Come on and take my love. Let's go and we can fly away. Taking off to the sky, it's you and me tonight. Whoa, baby. You know there was something special. Baby boy, you are my treasure. I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. Yeah. I knew that it was something special. Baby boy, you are my treasure. I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. It's amazing how you rock my world. You're the only one for me. Never thought that I would be your girl. Ooh, yeah. You're the one I'm thinking of. Come on and take my love. Let's go and we can fly away. We're taking off to the sky. It's you and me tonight. Whoa, baby. You know there was something special. Baby boy, you are my treasure. I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. Yeah. I knew that it was something special. Baby boy, you are my treasure. I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. Yeah.
You're special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright. Oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. 'Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, better than bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and big family. Me and you, we can be something we want to. When I see the dream we're chasing true, we don't care for me, yeah, yeah. Luckily we're free to be first class riding Cashapp, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and big family. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and big family. Anything that you do now, everything that you do, everything that you do now. Oh, no, 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 no.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around that old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me, I know.
Okay, y'all, so that is it for this video. Is motivational. I got so many more videos to come to, you know, just get things started till I get those chicks and do what I really want to do. So yeah, y'all, make sure y'all dropping y'all seeds. Spring will be here soon. Make sure that you are saving your coins for Sunday, which is tomorrow, to put your $30 back, or close to 30, or whatever the case may be, whatever you able to do. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video if it's God's will. Okay, y'all, so that's the end of the video. I hope you were motivated. I hope you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And also check out the information in the description box below, because it has a lot of links to different things that you may be interested in. So with that being said, y'all be safe, and I'll see you in the next one if it's Jehovah's will. Bye.